Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Buick Encore can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this Draw-tite hitch installation. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We will begin this installation by lowering our exhaust. First, let's support it with a strap. Use exhaust hanger pliers and soapy water if needed to remove 2 rubber isolators, one on each side of the muffler. We're now ready to fish in our hardware into the frame. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mounting locations. This is your forward mounting location on the driver's side. Your second mounting location can be found here. In some cases, you will have to wire in a carriage bolt, but as the case with us, there is a weld nut and we will thread in an M12 bolt. On the passenger side, we will use the same forward mounting location, but we will utilize this mounting location for another carriage bolt. This larger hole is our access location. We will just lower the brake line to give us access. Begin at your rearmost mounting location, pass the coiled end of the fish wire forward in the frame to the access location. Now place the custom spacer onto the fish wire and pass it into the frame. Do not lose your fish wire. Thread the bolt into the coiled end. Turn the bolt around to get it into the frame. And then pull the hardware out of the mounting location. Now fish your forward mounting location. Bending the fish wire in a U shape is usually helpful. When finished fishing your hardware, replace the brake line. Now repeat these steps on the driver's side. If you have a weld nut present, you will not be fish wiring here and you can move forward to the forward mounting location. Now fish the forward mounting bolt in the same fashion as the other side. We're now ready to raise the hitch into position. I will be using the U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend you get a second set of hands. Start on the passenger side by raising the hitch bracket over the exhaust and pulling down gently and passing it through the trim in the fascia. While raising the hitch into position, you must pass the fish wires through the mounting locations on the hitch. Continue raising the hitch and align the mounting locations and pull all the hardware through the hitch. Note that the instructions have included a spacer that may be needed to fill this space. So if you raise this hitch into position and you feel like you need the spacer, it can be taped into position and then re-raised back into place. In our case, however, the spacer will not be needed. Because we had a weld nut present, we did not need to fish wire a 4th carriage bolt. We instead will install an M12 bolt and a conical tooth washer. Make sure the teeth face the hitch. As well, for this mounting location, there is a wedge spacer. If you encounter a space between the hitch and the frame, you will want to use this. Do note that we want the thicker end down and the thinner end up, and in our case, we are going to install this spacer. A magnet tool will be helpful for you to get the spacer into position. Pass the hex bolt through the hitch and be sure it has gone through the wedge spacer, and then thread it into the weld nut. Now remove your fish wires, place on a conical tooth washer with the teeth facing the hitch, and thread on a hex nut. We're now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications, which I will link in the description below. We're going to use an 18mm socket and an extension for our carriage bolts and hex nuts. If you've used the weld nut, you will need a 19mm socket. As well, you will change the torque wrench to a second setting. You can now return the exhaust to its previous position. Don't forget to remove your exhaust strap. Now that our hitch is installed, we pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 6 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 12 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.